There's been a lot of news lately about changes in criminal record expungement laws. Let's learn a little bit about them and whether an expungement may be good for you. First off, what is an expungement? It's the clearing of criminal convictions off your public record. In Michigan, it's called setting aside a conviction. Expungement works on a case-by-case basis, meaning you may qualify to expunge some, but not all of your convictions. If you clear your entire record through expungement, when someone asks if you have ever been convicted of a criminal offense, you can answer no. The same goes for an application for jobs and housing too. Second, let's talk about how the new expungement laws work. In 2023, there will be a process to clear some convictions without you having to do anything. That's called automatic expungement. But for now, you still have to request an expungement, which means filing an application with the court, notifying the Attorney General, prosecutor, and state police, and having a hearing in front of a judge. You probably want to know what's eligible for expungement. Unfortunately, the law is too complicated to answer that question here. I'd put you to sleep. But I'll give you some general guidelines and tell you where to go to find legal help. You can expunge an unlimited number of misdemeanors and up to 3 felonies, with certain exceptions. Some of those exceptions include life offenses, traffic offenses that cause injury or death, and most criminal sexual conduct convictions. Those things are not expungible under the current law. There is also a limit on the number of assaultive crimes that you can have expunged. But remember, if you have multiple convictions on your record, you can generally apply to have the eligible ones expunged, even if not all of them are expungible. Another important part of the expungement law is the waiting period. You have to wait 3 years to file for a misdemeanor expungement, 5 years for felonies and some misdemeanors, and 7 years for more than 1 felony. The start date for the waiting period is the day you got out of jail or prison, were released from probation or parole, or your sentencing date, whichever is the latest. When automatic expungement gets here, qualifying misdemeanors will be cleared after 7 years, and qualifying felonies will be cleared after 10 years. Okay, let's wrap up. Understanding these new rules can be tough. If you think you might be eligible, contact legal aid. And if you qualify for our services, we can look at your record and determine if you are eligible to have any convictions expunged. If you are not eligible for legal aid or want to do this on your own, visit michiganlegalhelp.org